Hey friends, it's Kevia. Thanks so much for coming back for another video. Welcome if this is your first time here. This video is packed with tons of motivation and lots of things that I had to get done, so let's get started. The first thing I'll be taking care of is restocking some items in my laundry room. If you have not checked out my laundry room makeover video, I'll be sure to link that in the description box as well as the comment section below so you can check it out. As I was restocking those items, I noticed a lot of dust had accumulated in here, as it always does because the dryer is constantly going. So I wanted to get that taken care of, and I also wanted to make sure I vacuumed and mopped as well. This is one feature that I really love about this washer and dryer. It's an app that I downloaded on my phone, so it alerts me when it's down to 5 minutes, and that way I don't have the laundry just sitting in here, because there's been multiple times where I had to rewash clothes, especially towels, because they have been sitting in the washer for so long. This is the next day, and I'm heading to Costco because I really needed to stock up on some fruits and veggies and some other staples that we usually keep in the house. So I recently just renewed my Costco membership. I believe I became a member back in 2018 when we lived in Hawaii. So they did have Costco and Sam's out there, and I had Sam's prior to going out there, but I wanted to try Costco out, which I really love. Let me know what you prefer, Costco or Sam's. Have you tried both of them? Do you have both memberships? Which I thought about having both. I don't think that's really necessary, but I definitely want to make sure I'm taking advantage of my membership and shopping here on the regular, because when I had it before, I didn't go there as often, but we are starting to make sure we buy stuff in bulk so it can last longer, because I really hate grocery shopping. Okay, y'all, I'm back from Costco, and this is a overview of the haul that I got. I also have some stuff on the counter behind me, but I have some cherries, I have spinach out here, some grapes, I have kiwi, strawberries, I have some apples back there, broccoli, grapefruit. I have this salmon, which is the best salmon, in my opinion. I love this salmon, and it has this pesto butter on here. All you have to do is pop it in the oven, and you are good to go. You don't have to add any extra seasoning. It's really good. I also have this squash mix. I think I mentioned the broccoli already. And then I have this kale salad. So it's a twin pack, and I did pick up 2 packs of that. Veggie spring rolls. These are definitely the best. Pop these in the air fryer, and these are so good. And I also have these acai bowls. Usually with these, buying them the way that they are, you might have to add your own toppings to it, but they are pretty good and more affordable than constantly buying them from like the smoothie places, which I tend to do a lot, and they usually add up in price. And this cod is good as well. And then I got my son hooked on seaweed, so I went ahead and got this big pack. Hopefully the teriyaki flavor is good, because I don't think we've tried that one before, but we'll see how that goes. Okay, so we just recently purchased a juicer from Amazon, and we are absolutely loving it. I love this one because it's very small and compact. We had one years ago. I'm not sure what happened to it, if it got lost in the move, if I gave it away, but we did get this one from Amazon, so I'll have it linked down in the description box if you are interested. Although juicing has great benefits to it, it is so much work and it can get very expensive. Produce is not cheap. You guys know that. So yeah, hopefully we can keep this up. I really hope so, because the boys are loving it as well. And the juice just tastes so fresh. It was really good. That one that I made was strawberries and apples. That one turned out really good. I did get these glasses from Amazon. I have these linked down in the description box as well. And the carafes that I was using, I purchased those from Target's Dollar Spot a while ago. The grapefruit juice is great for weight loss, which I'm on a weight loss journey currently. So hopefully that helps. And I'm just trying to be more conscious with the things that I eat, because I have a major sweet tooth. So now I'm just going to get to cleaning my stove. I've been wanting a new coffee table for a while. I'm kind of over the glass. I did find this one on Wayfair. It was sold out on Amazon. It's been in my cart for probably about a year now, so I did go ahead and make the purchase, but we're going to unbox this together. As I mentioned, I've been eyeing this coffee table for the longest. I fell in love with it when I first saw it, especially the fluted design on the side. I've been loving that look so much in my home lately, but I did not look at the measurements when I purchased it. I honestly thought it was like a standard height, but comparing it to the one that I have currently, you can see how much lower it is, and I really didn't like that. So I did purchase these legs from Amazon. It's this trapezoid look, so I'm gonna have my husband to install it. He did love the look of it just sitting flat on the floor, although that's what I fell in love with, but it was just too low for me. So we did add 2 legs, but we're gonna have to come back later on and add another set, because you'll see once we stand it up that it's going to be rocking. But the legs was not going to get here until Sunday, which I'll be putting this video out on Sunday, so you guys will see the coffee table styling and everything in a later video. Okay, so you guys are about to see what I'm talking about as far as the rocking. The balance was completely off, and prior to adding the legs, I set on keeping this for a couple days. I had already boxed it up, contacted Wayfair and everything, but I did decide to keep it because I really do love it. It was just too low to the ground, but once we get those other legs, hopefully it'll fix the problem with the rocking. And the last thing I'm going to be doing in this video is just a quick dinner. I'm going to use a lot of those veggies because I'll be using those for some meal prepping for the next couple days. And I'm going to pop that salmon in the oven as well.
Protecting my peace for so long, a little too good, now I'm so low. Watching reruns of the same shows, almost every party I'm a no-show. Even with green lights I don't go. Never been sure, no I don't know. How does everybody has to let go of the ego? Don't go out nearly as much as I should. Barely know the way around my neighborhood. I'm ruminating, I feel no good. Not living life like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I know I should. Like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I could. If you would show me, yeah. If you would show me, yeah, yeah. If you would show me, yeah, yeah. I spent so much time daydreaming, so now I don't know how I'm feeling. Don't know who's the real me. Might need more help than I thought I needed. I can see it. Need more healing, more believing, less deceiving. I don't go out nearly as much as I should. Barely know the way around my neighborhood. I'm ruminating, I feel no good. Not living life like.
If you all do not follow me on Instagram, I'm going to put my handle up on the screen for you guys. I do post content over there prior to putting it on YouTube sometimes. So if you want to catch that content, you can follow me over on Instagram, because sometimes I may post some behind the scenes. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want me to make more like this. I did enjoy creating something like this. I've been a little uninspired lately, and trying to do home projects can be a bit tedious. I actually had to take a break because I was getting way too overwhelmed. But as always, thank you so much for supporting my channel. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with a friend. And until next time, my friends, take care.
Someday soon I'm gonna make it, yeah.